In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Xero. By the end, your Stripe transactions will flow into Xero automatically, which saves time and makes reconciliation much smoother. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Xero organization with permission to manage bank accounts, and have your Stripe login and your Authenticator app or phone nearby, since two-step verification may be required. Begin in Xero on the main dashboard. From the top navigation, open the accounting menu, then choose bank accounts. This takes you to the place where all your bank feeds and payment services are managed. Click Add Bank Account to start a new connection. In the search box, type Stripe. You'll see results filtered for payment services. Next, choose your business's country. This ensures you connect to the correct Stripe feed for your region, which affects how data is formatted and delivered. After selecting the country, pick Stripe from the list of available connections. You'll land on a page explaining that Xero will automatically import your Stripe transactions. In short, this creates a secure bank feed so your Stripe activity appears in Xero regularly, helping you match money received and fees when you reconcile. Click Sign in to Stripe and connect. A new window will open, taking you to Stripe to authorize the connection. Sign in using your usual method and review the permissions requested so Xero can read your transaction data. If prompted to set up two-step authentication, follow the steps on screen. You'll see a QR code. Open your preferred authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy, and scan the QR code to add Stripe as a new account in the app. When the app generates a one-time code, click Next in the Stripe window and enter the code to verify. If you already have two-step authentication on your Stripe account, simply enter the current code from your app when asked. Once verified, confirm the connection. Stripe will redirect you back to Xero to finish up. After the connection is complete, Xero will begin importing transactions from Stripe. The first sync can take a little time, and what comes through depends on your region and Stripe setup. To see activity, return to bank accounts in Xero and look for the new Stripe feed. From there, you can start reconciling as usual. That's it. You've connected Stripe with Xero, set up secure authentication, and turned on automatic imports so your books can stay up to date with far less manual work.